Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it was moving in this particular zone for quite some time, that is from 2019 to 2021. This is the period where the price of natural gas was in this zone. As soon as it crosses a level of around $3.4, it tries to move upside, made a high of around 6.5. After that, it made a fall, and after making a level of 3.4, which is I've already explained you that this is a strong support, it made a bounce back and made upside and made a level of $9.6, and then after that a fall has come and again it made a high of around $10. What you can do is and understand something, that there is a pattern forming after pandemic, okay, in natural gas, and I'm explaining you this since my first video, that there is a high chances that if a swing form and it sustain, probability is very high it can go further upside, because as you can see all these swings formed, and that is where the price started moving upside in natural gas. Okay, so this is the period after June of 2021, that is where the price started moving upside, and I've already explained you in my previous videos that this was the point where the buy situation was coming. Okay, and 3.4 is a strong support, keep this in mind, because that is where it started moving upside. As you can see, a fall has also come, but 3.4 supported that point and a bounce back has come, and till now, and till the time it was in this zone, it has not come. Now it has break this particular point of 3.4 and now trading below a level of $3. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Okay, as well as a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that. To look at this particular chart, okay, 6.5 is a strong resistance, keep this in mind, because the price of natural gas currently trading at around $2.6. okay, before that 5.7 is also a strong support. As of now it is acting as a resistance, but if the price move up that level, it will act as a support. Okay, and after that what you can see, a level of 5.3 is there, a level of 4.9 is there, a level of 4.2 is there, and then 3.4. Keep this in mind, if the price sustain above a level of $3.45, chances are very sustain above, and then it can go further upside. Okay, before we move ahead, as I've already explained you, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, chances are less, because we are trying that there is a level of swing we can see in the price of natural gas, but you can say it is moving in this zone. So till the time it is sustaining this particular zone, or till the time it is not moving above this particular zone, we cannot say it can go further upside. But as of now we can see, once it started breaking out this particular zone, chances are high it can go towards a level of 2.7 and then further upside if the price sustain this level. But if it moves below this particular zone, we can see it can go further down. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are high, yes, it can touch a level of around $2.7, which is a weak resistance. Chances are high we can see a level of $3. After 2.7 we can see a level of $3. Once it move up that particular level, we can see it can cross a level of $3 and can touch a level of $3.3, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 3.5. as I've already explained you, once the price sustain above $3.5, we can see it can cross a level of 3.7 and can touch a level of $3.9. okay, keep this in mind, once it started moving upside, we can see it can touch a level of around $4.150. After 3.9 we can see a level of $4.150, and there is a gap theory it will form, and a probability is there it can fill this particular gap and can touch a level of 4.35. and once started moving upside, we can see it can touch a level of $4.550 and then further upside if the price sustains. So chances are very high it has to cross this particular zone, then only we can see it can go further high. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can come down again to a level of $2.550, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of around $2.36. okay, and once the price move below this particular zone, we can see it can touch a level of around $2.30. once started moving below this particular zone, then only we can see it can go further down, and a probability of touching below $3, we can see it can go further down, and a probability of touching $2.0 is there, because it will come in this particular zone. Chances are very high it can go towards a level of around $2, and from there we can see a level of 1.8, and from there we can see a level of 1.657. Keep this in mind. Once it started moving below $2, chances are high it can touch a level of $1.8 to a level of 1.6, and then from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $1.47. Okay, and then from there we can see further down. You have to keep this in mind. Once started falling below a level of $2, then only we can see it can go further down. Okay, but now as of now we can see a swing has already formed, so chances are high if this level sustain and crosses this particular zone, chances of going further upside is there. But if it moves below a level of $2.5, then we can see it can go further down, and if it crosses the level of 2.3, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Now understand something, what most of the traders do mistakes. Okay, the traders do mistake. What they do is they try to recover the money, but what you have to do is, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1,000 to 1,500, risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum loss you can do is $500, that is 100 per trade. But suppose if you lose all 5 trades, maximum loss, you can relax for the day and then trade the next day. But what people do is they lose so much money, 5,000, 3,000, they try to recover, and that process they lose their full capital. Okay, so I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.